Hello, hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gabby here, and today I have an awesome low-impact knee workout to help you reduce pain. It's super simple, effective, and you're gonna love it, so let's get into it. So I will be doing 3 sets. The first one where I talk you through what we're doing as I do it with you, proper form, all that good stuff. And then set number 2 and 3, zip it. We just go straight through the routine. Starting with our first exercise, we have half squats, all right? Squats are great for absolutely your entire body, but we're doing half squats to target our knees. We're standing feet hip width apart, all right? Hands on your hips or in front of you, and then you're going down about 6 inches, all right? Half of a squat, coming up, squeezing, and then repeating, all right? 30 seconds on the clock. Big breath, and in position, let's go. Alrighty, so remember, coming down, straight back, strong core, 6 inches down, and then coming up, squeeze, 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 squeeze. Your bum, your legs, your knees, everything, all right? Chest is up and proud, nice long elegant neck, and we wanna avoid arching, all right? So straight back, that's what I mean with a straight back. You're gonna tuck in your bum and tighten that core, very good. Big breath. Awesome job, push those shoulders away from your ears. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze those legs. And 3, 2, 1, hold it. 3, 2, hold, and up. Very good, shake it out. Next we have hamstring curls or leg curls, whatever you wanna call them. All right, standing in that position, that strong stance is what I like to call it, our starting position. All right, feet hip width apart, and then remember all those cues for correct posture, all right? We're gonna put our hands on our hips, and then we're gonna curl at the knee with a nice flex leg, alternating each leg, all right? 30 seconds, big breath, and begin, very good. All right, so curling, squeeze, 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 nice flex foot. That's gonna help us activate our legs a little bit more, our knees a little bit more, and coming down. All right, if you need to for balance, go ahead and hold on to a wall or a chair. If not, go ahead and hold on to yourself or hands out in front of you to practice balance. All right, very good. Remembering your posture, tucking in that core and closing your rib cage. If you don't know how to close your rib cage, no worries, we got you covered. Mare has a video on our YouTube channel that explains exactly how to close up or zip up your rib cage, all right? Just word search it. Big breath, and 3, 2, 1, and come down, very good. Pedal those knees. Next, we have leg extensions, all right? So, standing in our strong starting point, all right? We're gonna lift our knee, so bent knee, flex foot, and then straighten and come down. Bent, straight, down, all right? So we're starting with the bent, we're extending it, and then coming down. 30 seconds, alternating leg extensions, and let's go. All right, so coming up, nice strong legs, every muscle is nice and engaged, flex feet, and then squeeze as you straighten. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. I feel it here in my knees, you should too. All right, very good. Breathing, tight core, good posture, and enjoy. Very good, guys. Good posture. Breathe, squeeze. I know I sound like a broken record, but that's what this first set is for. It's to help you learn all these little coaching cues, proper posture, and it's easy to forget to breathe when you're focusing on something, so I'm here to remind you and myself. Alrighty, 3, 2, 1, and come down. Very good. Go ahead, pedal, pedal, pedal. Now, last but not least, we are doing straight leg lifts, all right? We just did leg extensions where we started bent and then extended, but now we're keeping our legs straight the entire time. Coming up as far as you can, all right? Could look like this, could look like this. Flexibility is different for everyone. And then come down, up, down, very good. And we're gonna do that alternating sides for 30 seconds. Big breath, and let's go. All right, nice strong legs, squeezing your entire leg, all right? No flimsy legs. All right, we're not just, going like this, nope. Posture, flex foot, strong legs. Breathing, very good. Awesome job. Try to keep your gaze forward instead of looking down. I know we kind of want to see what we're doing, but we want to protect our spine and our necks. So nice uplifted posture. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, and pedal it out. Very good. And that was it, our 4 simple, low-packed, amazing exercises to help with knee strengthening and knee pain. We're gonna do it again. Go ahead, take a second, grab some water, and then we're doing set number 2. All right, my beautiful people, you know what to do. So set number 2, I zip it. We just go straight through the workout. All right, we have our half squats. All right, half squats, our hamstring curls, our leg extensions, and then our straight leg lifts. All right, 30 seconds each. Big breath, remember good posture. Starting with our half squats, and let's go. And 3, 2, 1, come up, very good. Shake it out, shake it out. Moving on to hamstring curls, and begin. And 3, 2, 1, and come down. Very good. Pedal those knees. All right, moving on to leg extensions, alternating sides, big breath, and let's go. And 3, 2, 1, very good. Bend those knees and straight leg lifts. Big breath. Alternating sides, and let's go. And 3, 2, 1, come down, very good. Pedal those knees, and there we have it. Set 2, done and dusted. Go ahead, grab that water, breathe, stretch if you need to, and then we're gonna crush set number 3 together. Alrighty, set number 3, you got this. Keep up the energy, breathe. Remember those coaching cues, starting with our half squats. Big breath, and let's go. And 3, 2, 1, come up, very good. Shake it out, shake it out. Moving on to hamstring curls, and begin. And 3, 2, 1, and come down. Very good. Pedal those knees. All right, moving on to leg extensions, alternating sides, big breath, and let's go. And 3, 2, 1, very good. Bend those knees and straight leg lifts. Big breath. Alternating sides, and let's go. And 3, 2, 1, come down, very good. Pedal those knees. Alrighty, that was it. 3 sets of your low impact knee workout to reduce pain. I hope you loved it. Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe, click the bell. What that does is it lets you know, it notifies you when we post a video so you don't miss out on anything, all right? I hope to see you on the next one.